Hi YouTube. I own a shop. Not very often do cars come in that we have to, we're not really denying service, but we have to make sure that he doesn't drive this vehicle out of here because of safety. A truck. I don't know if you can see this lip right here. Came in with a couple concerns. That lip's pretty aggressive. He is missing the entire inboard brake pad, and his actual pistons on his calipers are destroyed. It's pushing fluid. He denied repair. It's not because of the cost. He is prioritizing the functionality of his gauge cluster. Now he has to drive to a very, very, very busy area tomorrow, which we can have this done today. I think we did what? We quoted pads and rotors on the front, lifetime warranty on them, and a caliper and brake bleeding. And it comes out, it's like $768. So that's not bad. He has lifetime warranty on everything. What he wants is he wants to be able to make sure that his gas gauge and everything functions as it should, instead of what could kill somebody. Now I want to show you how bad the outside of this wheel is. Yeah. So it is our job to make money, but we also have to make sure that things are safe. So whenever you tell me that you have multiple issues, let's also talk about little stands. Tender, we have to refuse service. Like we have to cut people off. If he leaves us, we got a piece of paper we have to get signed. And if he leaves us, if we just let him leave, then we could be held liable. So now we have to push it out front. He cannot drive it off my property, so I have to bring somebody to help him push, or we go ahead and do it, or a tow truck. It's not fun. It's not fun.